In this video I will show how to fix a hole in a screen with a method that requires almost no tools. It is possible to repair the holes without removing the windows, but I wanted to clean the frames as well, so I took out the window. The hole is on the edge, so I had to remove a bit of the rubber lining that keeps the screen in place. Then I cut a piece of screen material slightly larger than the hole, ensuring the edges would overlap. I separated a single staple and used it to secure the new patch to the original screen. We recently moved to this rented house, and unfortunately all the window screens have developed holes. Since this living situation is temporary, I decided not to replace the entire screens. Instead, I'll just patch the damaged areas. All I need for this quick fix are some leftover screen material and a few staples. Finally, I just put the window back in its frame. It may not be the most aesthetically pleasing solution, but it gets the job done effectively.